Most people get this wrong when they think about offshore companies in the Cayman Islands. They assume it is only for billionaires or secret tax tricks. But that is not the reality. The process is legal, structured, and widely used by global businesses. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Cayman Islands, officially the jurisdiction of Cayman Islands, is one of the most popular offshore company hubs in the world because of its zero direct corporate tax system and strong legal framework. In this video, you will learn exactly how to form a Cayman Islands company in 2026, step by step. We will cover requirements, costs, setup process, and the mistakes that often lead to rejection or banking problems. And in a minute, I will show you the simplest structure most entrepreneurs use to stay compliant while keeping operations smooth internationally. Let's start with the basics. Most foreign founders form what is called an exempted company. This is the standard Cayman structure used by international businesses, holding companies, and investment firms. It is designed for companies that operate outside the Cayman Islands. But here's the problem. Many people choose this structure without understanding its limitations, especially when it comes to banking and substance requirements. Step 1 is choosing your company name and checking availability with the Cayman Islands General Registry. The name must not conflict with existing entities and must follow naming rules. For example, names implying government affiliation will be rejected immediately. Step 2 is hiring a registered local service provider. You cannot directly incorporate a Cayman company on your own. You must work with a licensed corporate service provider who handles registration, compliance, and ongoing filings. This step is critical because choosing the wrong provider can delay your setup for weeks. Step 3 is submitting incorporation documents. This includes director details, shareholder structure, and a brief description of your business activities. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cayman authorities are strict about compliance, so your business purpose must be clear and realistic. Vague descriptions like global business often raise red flags. Step 4 is meeting compliance requirements. Depending on your structure, you may need to provide due diligence documents, proof of funds, and identity verification for all beneficial owners. Step 5 is opening a bank account. This is often the hardest part. Banks will review your structure, source of income, and operational substance. Without proper preparation, your company may be registered but unable to transact effectively. Finally, you must maintain annual renewal fees and compliance filings to keep your company active. To summarize, Cayman company formation is straightforward if you follow the correct structure. Choose an exempted company, use a licensed provider, prepare strong documentation, and plan banking early. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step global business guides.